Hi there! In this video, we're going to walk you through some tips and tricks during the prep, pre-scan, and scan process for taking the perfect GRIN-assisted scans. Let's get started. First, let's prepare for the scan. Here's what you'll need to do. 1. Input the patient's information before putting on your gloves. 2. Ensure the scope is clean, dry, and not too cold. Wipe the phone camera lens for clarity. 3. Tighten the scope before attaching it to your phone to avoid adjustments mid-scan. It is recommended to place the buckle on the top part close to the lens. 4. Explain to the patient what is going to happen. It will help them feel more comfortable. And lastly, 5. Position yourself properly, stand to the patient's side, and lean in. A dental chair works best, but a regular chair will also do. Now, let's prepare the patient for the scan. Ask the patient to place the scope in their mouth, like they're putting on a snorkel mouthpiece. Assist them if needed. Have the patient tighten their lips around the scope. The patient may hold the scope for added stability. Make sure to do a quick test run before hitting play to ensure everything's set. If the audio prompts are distracting, you can turn the volume down. It can be very helpful to place your hand on the back of the patient's head for stability and guidance. It's time to scan. Here's how to get the best results. Remind the patient to breathe through their nose during the scan. Quickly capture left and right shots. The AI will pick up the details. Spend more time on the upper and lower arches. For the lower occlusal, ask the patient to keep their tongue down. When scanning occlusals, place the opposite arch on the scope. For the upper scan, rest the lower teeth on the scope, and vice versa. For better molar shots, gently guide the patient to move their head against the scope to pull their lip away. And there you have it! Follow these steps to ensure accurate scans every time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Take at least 10 assisted scans to master the process. Thanks for watching, and happy scanning!